This afternoon, I'm hiking in a familiar place in Alameda, the Grand Street, Marina. I usually hike here if I just want a quick workout or hiking. Uh, and they have done some improvements in this area since I've been here the last. Across the water is the U.S. Coast Guard Island. This is the area where they have on display boats that are on sale or for sale. Most of these boats are houseboats, meaning people live here in these boats. It's been months since I walked in this marina. The weather is overcast, cool wind. That's an interesting sign. Trump for 2024, Save America. The Grand Marina. It's a commercial establishment. More houseboats on this side of the marina. Walk into a little park in the housing development. The trail continues along the marina, passing through this housing development. Passing through the Alameda Yacht Club area. So this is the Alameda Yacht Club area. And most of these boats are houseboats. Continuing with my walking or hiking along the harbor or the Alameda Yacht Club area. The end of the trail along the harbor or the yacht club area. Farther out on the background is the Mormon temple, and above that is the Joaquin Miller Park, where I also usually hike around the park. There's many hiking trails in that hillside, and I usually do my cardio exercise. In fact, I just did one the other day. So that's Mormon Temple, and above that is Joaquin Miller Park. That's the skyline of downtown Oakland. And all these condominium buildings in the foreground. Walking back to the Grand Marina,